Hey guys, James here from Mowbot. This is a quick tip on how to ensure your bung is inside your mower properly. I've got a 550 EPOS here, but it applies to older mowers like the 450X and the 305. So our first step is to flip the machine over and we'll have a look further on there. So now that I've got the machine upside down, you can see I've got 2 of the 3 cables here sitting outside of the machine. We'll want to make sure that these bungs here sit down in place nice and smoothly, and that ensures that water or any moisture doesn't start to develop inside the internal compartment of the machine where all of your main boards are stored. So the first step to getting these sealed up properly is to push down on the machine's bung there, and then you want to make sure that you walk the seal around the entire piece of plastic until you can see that there's no open air and any access ways for the machine to get any water in there. And a handy test is to give it a little tug to make sure that the bung doesn't move around. So same thing with this one here. You want to walk the seal around and make sure that it's pressed into place properly. And then to make sure, we'll give it a little tug and make sure that it doesn't move around and you can't see any little air gaps in the bung. And that's how you make sure that your bung is set in place correctly, to make sure no water or any grass gets inside your machine.